Before I even get into this video, I gotta say this thing looks sweet. You know what no one really talks about when they say they want a pool? It's not the cost, it's not even the maintenance with all the chemicals, it's the cleaning. Because cleaning a pool is one of those things that sound simple until you actually have to do it. You got leaves sitting on the bottom, you got dirt building up on the walls, and somehow, no matter how many times you clean it, it never really feels done. And that's where robotic pool cleaners are supposed to come in. But a lot of them move randomly, they miss spots, and sometimes they just stop halfway through, and then you have to finish the job yourself. So when I heard that the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 AI uses AI and dual cameras to map and clean your pool, and it lasts long enough to finish the job without running out of battery, I decided to see if it actually fixes those problems. So over the past few weeks, I've been testing it in an actual in-ground pool, not a perfectly clean pool, not a staged demo. I'm talking about a pool with actual debris, leaves, dirt, random buildup, you know, the kind of stuff that you get after a windy day or just normal everyday use. So this pool is 20 feet by 40 feet, and I wanted to see two things. First, does the M1 AI actually clean better than traditional robotic pool cleaners? And second, does it make the process feel easier, or is it just another gadget that you have to babysit? Because for me, the goal isn't just a clean pool, it's not having to think about cleaning the pool at all. So starting with the design and setup, as you'd expect at this price point, this is fully cordless. There are no cables running across your pool, no external power connections to deal with, and no setup that feels complicated or time consuming. You take it out of the box, charge it, you drop it in, that's it. And that simplicity matters more than you think, because with a lot of pool cleaners, the friction isn't just the cleaning, it's everything that you have to do before the cleaning even starts. For me, it's like one of those robotic vacuum mop cleaners that you get for your home. You're not really thinking about how to use it, you're just using it. With the M1 AI, you've got a couple of modes to choose from. You can go with floor only, floor and wall, wall only, or full coverage. You can also enable turbo mode or AI mode, which we'll talk about later on. And I know I've already said it, but I love how this thing looks. It looks like some kind of supercar is cleaning the pool. And speaking of cleaning, this is where things start to get interesting. So the M1 AI uses what iGarden calls bionic AI dual camera vision, which means that there are actually two cameras in the device that work together to create a 3D understanding of your pool. Now think of it as working the same way that our eyes do when they give us the ability to perceive depth and distance. And I wasn't sure if this was practical or just marketing jargon, but in practice, it completely changes how this thing moves. Instead of following a fixed pattern or randomly bouncing around like a lot of traditional cleaners, the M1 AI is constantly analyzing its surrounding. It can detect depth, distance, obstacles, and even different types of debris. So when it's moving through the pool, it's not just covering ground, it's making decisions. You can actually see it slow down near debris, adjust its path, and approach areas more intentionally. And that's the first moment where it feels less like a basic machine and more like something that's actually thinking about the job that it's doing. The M1 AI also adapts to different lighting, and it automatically activates supplemental lighting in low light conditions. On top of that, the input from the camera is run through a high-performance ISP or image signal processor to improve performance. And that leads me directly into what might be the most important feature here, AI target mode, because this is where the difference becomes super obvious. So most robotic pool cleaners follow a fixed pattern, usually something like an S-shaped pattern across the floor, and they eventually get to everything. But the problem is your pool doesn't get dirty evenly. You'll usually have specific areas where debris collects, maybe near the corners, maybe near steps, maybe wherever the wind tends to push leaves. And traditional cleaners don't account for that. They treat every part of the pool the same. The M1 AI doesn't. With AI target mode, it identifies where debris actually is and goes directly to it. So instead of spending time cleaning areas that are already clean, it prioritizes the mess first. Now in my testing, that made a huge difference, especially when I just wanted a quick clean before using the pool. Instead of waiting for a full cycle, it was able to clean the majority of the visible debris in about 20 minutes. Now to get a little nerdy here, all this AI is powered powered by a quad-core high-frequency processor with a dedicated 6-TOPS NPU. That's 6 trillion operations per second. Now, this also means that the camera data is processed locally, not on an external server in the cloud, and this keeps your data secure. Now, watching it work is actually kind of satisfying because you can see it actively seek out and remove debris instead of just hoping that it eventually passes over it. Now let's talk about the actual cleaning performance, because none of this really matters if it doesn't clean well. The M1 AI uses a dual motor system, which helps it maintain strong suction without sacrificing efficiency. And more importantly, it combines that with a dual layer filtration system. So it's not just picking up large debris like leaves, it's also capturing smaller particles like sand and fine dirt, which is what really makes the pool look clean. There's also this safety feature that actually helps performance. So if something gets in the filter and restricts flow, the water is redirected through a pressure relief valve, which protects the motor and maintains the suction power so the M1 AI can keep working. Now that means that the unit doesn't stall and has to wait for you to fix the problem. Now, another big advantage here is full coverage. So the M1 AI isn't just a floor cleaner. It climbs the wall, it handles slopes, and it scrubs along the waterline, which is one of the most annoying areas to clean manually. In my experience, that's usually where you end up having to step in yourself, but here it's actually taking care of that automatically. The M1 AI uses 2 Caterpillar tracks and 4 wheels, so it can navigate and clean steps, slopes, and the walls on vinyl, concrete, and fiberglass pools. And if you send the M1 AI for a regular S-pattern pool cleaning, when it's done, it will use the dual cameras and the AI algorithms to automatically detect and touch up any missed debris. So instead of a partial clean that you have to finish, it feels much closer to a complete clean. Now, a few other major factors here are battery life and automation, because even if something cleans well, if you constantly have to recharge it or restart it, it sort of defeats the purpose. The M1 AI is powered by Infinity Drive, so it runs for up to 16 hours on a single charge, which is significantly longer than most cordless pool cleaners I've seen. It's also using a dual force flow system called HyperBoost. Basically, it has 2 pumps with 2 motors, which help distribute the workload and make the M1 AI more efficient. And just as important, it's designed to automatically maintain your pool over time. There's an AI timer that lets you schedule cleaning every 24, 48, or 72 hours. So instead of reacting to a dirty pool, it's proactively keeping it clean. So you can have the M1 AI automatically clean the pool every 3 days for 20 minutes and get up to 30 days of autonomous cleaning. And that's a subtle shift, but it changes the experience completely, because in your head, you go from I need to clean the pool to the pool is always clean. On top of that, it's also managing power intelligently. So with AI-based power adjustments, it increases suction when it detects heavier debris and reduces power when it doesn't need it. iGarden calls this AI Inverter 2.0, and this way you're not wasting energy, but you're also not compromising on performance when it matters. So after spending time with the iGarden M1 AI, here are my takeaways. This is one of the first robotic pool cleaners I've used that actually feels like it understands what it's doing. It's not just moving through the pool, it looks like it's reacting to it. And that combination of smarter navigation, targeted cleaning, strong performance, and true automation makes a real difference in day-to-day use. You're also getting a 3-year warranty, so you're covered if something goes wrong. If you already have a pool, this is the kind of upgrade that doesn't just make cleaning better, it makes it something that you don't really have to think about anymore. If you want to check it out, I've got links for you in the description, and I'm curious, if you've used a robotic pool cleaner before, what were the biggest issues that you had with it? You know what I always say? Buy it nice or buy it twice. Good luck and see you soon.